Euro USD daily forecast for Tuesday, the 24th of Feb. This is the daily chart. We are bullish as far as swing structure goes because we had a break in market structure. We broke that with a lot of momentum coming from here. And now we are in the pullback. We've kind of come here. We are more than 50% in this region. And we kind of just about touched and dipped into this demand zone, but I think we are now probably ready to go down further into this zone. So yes, as far as the daily goes, swing structure is bullish, but we are in the pullback phase, so therefore internally we are bearish. And looking at this long wick over here also shows me that whatever liquidity was there in this supply has been taken, and now price is ready to go down a little further. Looking at the 4-hour structure, this is where we are. Again, 4-hour overall swing structure is bullish because we had a break in market structure here, and after that we can expect a pullback. So this is a decent pullback. We've kind of come back here, but like we discussed yesterday, perhaps there is some liquidity below these two equal lows. So maybe price just kind of dips a little further into this zone, or maybe even further into this 4-hour zone over here, and then goes further. In any case, for us to say that the 4-hour pullback is over, we need a bare minimum chalk, which happened over here. And after that, I would like to see an internal break of structure, which could be over here, or maybe even here. Or if price comes down here, then obviously we are looking at a chalk and a break in internal structure once it goes here. So at the moment, this still looks bearish. However, I'll be very, very tentative because we've already kind of dipped into this and a little, on the peripheries of the daily structure here. Going forward to the M15, the zone that, or rather the time frame that I trade from. So the M15 swing structure is bearish because we had a break in market structure over here. After that, we can expect a pullback. Is this pullback deep enough? Well, we can use the fib tool here to see where we are. So not quite. This is the 50%. So I was expecting price to come up at least over here. So we just kind of maybe skimmed this a little, but again, because I'm not sure, therefore I will not take any chances or risks. So at the moment I can say that we kind of came up. This didn't really go anywhere. We came down into this demand. We had a bit of a bounce from there. This also didn't go anywhere. So there's a lot of selling pressure, I guess. And then it came down back here. It's come up, then it's come here, and it's again over here. So we're still about, I think, half an hour away from London Open. So let's just wait and see how it goes. And maybe we sweep the Asian highs and go down further. But let's just wait and watch. So nothing really, just kind of sit on your hands and wait for price to show its hands. Like they say, I think trading is, most of it is, waiting. It's a waiting game, and just, be patient, and opportunities will arise on their own. So yeah. So I'm going to just wait and see. Maybe we sweep these highs, the Asian highs, go into this zone and then come down. And if we come down with some momentum, then I will probably look at, where is this? I will probably, look at if we come down here with a lot of momentum, and then when we come up into some kind of a zone here, I will probably look at playing a short. Again, I'll be extremely cautious. I'm not going to jump into things blindly, and I have to go with the narrative. So for me, this is the pullback of the M15, which is bearish. However, this doesn't appear to me like a very deep pullback. I might think that price might just be pulling up further, but in case price goes into this zone and it's coming down, maybe look for a quick 1:2 kind of a thing. But I think it's going to be risky, but let's just see. May the markets always be with you. Cheers.